From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. Joining me now is Dr. Sherry Lynn with the UT Tyler School of Medicine, and she's here to tell us about their free upcoming event for women. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And yourself?
I'm doing awesome. So first, tell us a little bit about the Women's Health Symposium.
Great, thank you. Well, the Women's Health Symposium is an event sponsored by the UT Tyler School of Medicine. It's going to be this Saturday, May the 10th at Bergfeld Park. And it's an opportunity for community people to come out and partner along with our medical team.
Yes, so tell us more about the importance of raising awareness about women's health.
Oh, thank you. Well, with over 50% of our population being female, giving women information and empowering them to help take care of their health and wellness, we think is very valuable. Most women are the primary care providers for their families, their children, their parents, friends, neighbors. So educating a woman, giving her good, solid medical information, not only benefits her, but benefits her family, her friends, and her whole community. So we're excited to have an opportunity to give them a forum to come get good quality information.
Yes, ma'am. And just talk about what activities and services people can expect to see.
Certainly. So we will have some of our local physicians coming out. They'll be giving short talks on a variety of things from prenatal care to menopause to breast health. And we've partnered with community and businesses. Pure Barre is going to do a ballet class on the lawn. And then one of the martial arts leaders will give some information on self-defense. There'll be food trucks there. There's going to be a jewelry giveaway with Kendra Scott, so lots of fun.
So a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything, yes.
So what do you hope women take away from this type of event?
Certainly. We want them to feel empowered with information that they can go take back to take care of themselves, help raise awareness to how important it is to take care of their health, take care of their wellness, things that we can start now to prevent disease that they can share, they can take care of themselves and share with their friends and family.
Yes, women, how excited are you to be able to offer this to women in our community?
Oh, we are so excited. Really, you know, we're so grateful to see people in our office and the people we can take care of, but having an opportunity to reach out to anyone in the community that wants to stop by and get more information and that they don't have to come into the office to make an appointment, we're just so grateful for the opportunity to give them a forum to get whatever information they want.
Yeah, so do the women need any tickets, or is it free?
No, it is a free event, so just come to Bergfeld Park. We will be there. There will be tents set up. There will be providers at different tables. Bring your questions. Happy to help in any way we can.
And so all the different providers are different medical professionals?
Correct, yes.
Yes, ma'am. And just talk about what kind of other things that people can learn at the symposium.
Certainly. So we'll have various physicians there. There will be OB-GYN providers that could talk about prenatal care, menopause. We have a urogynecologist that's going to talk about urinary dysfunction. Breast surgeon there to talk about breast health and wellness, family medicine. They are talking about preventative health care. The pediatrician group will be there. We're going to have dermatology there doing free skin checks. We'll do blood pressure screenings. If people need more information and want to make an appointment, they'll have an opportunity to do that too. So lots of good, valuable resources.
Yes, ma'am. And where can people learn more information about this event and when it's going to be?
Certainly. So it is listed online for UT Tyler. Again, it's sponsored by the School of Medicine. So UT Tyler School of Medicine, there's a website there with more information.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. For more information, go to the website right there on your screen. Well, coming up on East Texas Live, a celebration of Southern Spirit.